Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, The Tech Blazers. You all know that Windows 11 is almost around the corner, and still now some are facing Windows 10 update issues. Today let's see how to fix the Windows 10 update issues. First, checking if the services about Windows update are running. Right click Start and click Run. In the box, type services.msc and click OK. In the pop-up window, search for Windows Update. In that Windows Update, right-click it and click Properties. In the startup type, choose as Automatic and click Apply. Click OK. Then search for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right-click it and click Properties. In the startup type, change it to Automatic and click Apply and click OK. If you click properties again, you might find that the service status is stopped. To start it, click start. Now it will be applied. Let's try the second method, Windows Update troubleshooting. Type as control panel and in the search bar appearing at the top right corner, to type troubleshoot and click the troubleshoot. In troubleshooting, click view all in the left side. In the several options appearing, click Windows Update and click Next. It will detect the problems, and if there are any problems, it will suggest you the ways to remove it. After the troubleshoot is over, try restarting your device. Third option is turning off metered connection. In the Action Center, click All Settings and under Network and Internet, click Properties in the Wi-Fi that you have connected. And under Metered Connection section, check if Set as Metered Connection option is turned off. Because if metered connection is turned on, the Windows update would not occur. Now, next, let's see the fourth step, that is disabling your third-party software. Click the show hidden icons and right click your third-party antivirus software and click disable product protection or click disable, and you can select the time period to how much you want it to be disabled. After choosing the correct duration, click yes. Now let's see the final and fifth step, that is removing or uninstalling your third-party antivirus software temporarily. Search Control Panel and in uninstall a program, choose the antivirus software and click uninstall or change. It would ask you if you want to make changes to the device. Click yes, and the uninstall and an uninstallation will continue. Thank you guys. Hope this video helps. Meet you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Blazers.